Good day everyone. If you have a photo where the expression just doesn't feel right, maybe the smile is off, the face looks too serious, or the emotion doesn't match the moment, OpenArt AI makes it easy to fix that. In this video I'll show you how to change facial expressions using OpenArt AI step by step. And also before we begin, if you wish to start quickly and easily with this service, we have a really cool link posted for you guys in the video description. Don't forget to check it out. Right, so what OpenAI can do with facial expressions? Let us discuss. So OpenAI uses AI inpainting to modify facial features naturally without warping the rest of the image. You can add or reduce a smile, change a serious face into a relaxed one, adjust eyes, eyebrows, and mouth shape, create different emotional variations from the same photo. This works best on clear, front-facing faces. Alright, and now to begin, what do we have to do? Scroll all the way up, and as you can see, we are being asked, what do we wish to create today? And this is going to be your main panel. So in our case, we need to create an image. So just hover your mouse over image, and then you choose edit image. That's exactly what we want, because we're working on the image that we already have. We're not generating one. And now we will get to this kind of interface. And this way, as you can see, we open up the image editing or inpainting tool, and you can upload the photo you want to edit, and also make sure that the face is clearly visible. Zoom in if the tool allows for more precise edits. Of course, it allows it. And also, higher quality images always produce better results. So I'm just going to choose the image that I've downloaded from Pexels. There you go. It's a free image of a woman. There you go. And now we can start working. So in order to start editing it, of course, click on it to start changing the facial expression. Okay, and after that, guys, in order to start, just press on click area. It's going to analyze the areas. And now, as you can see, we can choose the face just like this. Okay, we can also choose the hair if maybe you want to change the hair color. And in order to, of course, change the facial expression, we need to choose the face. Also, we can choose shoulders, arms, if you wish to do anything with that. Also, the background, as you can see, both sides can be changed. But in my case, I will choose the face, as so. And on the right, we have the inpainting area. So what is this? It allows us to select an area on the image and enter, of course, the prompt below to easily edit or add elements to that specific region. In our case, for this specific region, which is the face, we will just type in what we want with it. So, for example, in my particular case, I will just tell AI to turn this face into a more smiley one, right? So I'm just going to make this woman smile a little more. Why not? A smiley face is always good. In the prompt, you just type in what you want. Just decide what you wish. You don't, of course, have to copy and paste what I do. You're editing your own image. So yeah, you can just personalize it for yourself. Alright, so this is my prompt. As you can see, you of course choose yours. And now we also have some other things that we can change. So for example, we have the creativity level. So let us see what that is. So as you can see, use a lower number for simple backgrounds. So we will do just one, because our background is just white or gray. And if you have a more complex background, increase it to the right a little more. Then you choose the model. Let us choose the Premium Flux 2 Pro. Then we can also change how many steps the AI will take and how many runs before generating the final image. As you can see, usually higher is better, but to a certain degree. So let us just leave this at default, and the number of images that we'll create, let us do 5. Why not? Let us do 5 images. In the summary, we will get how many credits we will be pretty much charged for this particular operation. And then press on create. And now, guys, you just have to wait until the facial expression is changed. Just give this a little time. Also, as you can see, we're making wonders, and if you wish to generate 4 more images, you can click on this button to make more variations pretty much. Alright, and here you go. I actually like the very first image quite a bit. As you can see, it's not bad at all, actually pretty well done by AI. So this is the first, then we have the second. Look at that, it's pretty nice, I like it actually. Third, there you go, Very nice smiley face, I like that. And also a little giggle or something like that, very nice. So yeah, as you can see, AI has done a pretty darn good job with this. I'm actually surprised a little bit. And yeah, guys, as you can see, our job is now complete. Once again, if you wish to generate more, you can. If not, let me just show you how to download your generated images. You press on download, there you go, and save it, for example, on your desktop. And there you go. You just choose the photos, open with photos, and here's our photo. As you can see, pretty nice and well done. So that's pretty much it. This is how you change facial expressions with OpenArt AI. If this video assisted you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.